Musa Mseleku has to change before it's too late, because what he's doing, it is so painful. I did not expect that from him. Guys, do you still remember that there were a lot of ladies who wanted to be wife number 5? Trust me, if you know now, most of ladies, they are no longer interested. They are no longer attracted to Musa Mseleku because of his behavior. Many ladies are saying that. There were a lot of ladies, they will say that, hey Musa, can I be wife number 5? Some were even commenting on a Musa Mseleku every post. Some were even calling him handsome. Some were saying he's a good father, he's a good husband. But right now, people are running away from Musa Mseleku. They think, you know what? Thank God, I'd rather be single than to be wife number 5, because yo, ziyakhala ziyaporoma kwa Mseleku, guys. But anyway, guys, we all know the rules of the house. Before I get to the story of Musa Mseleku, guys, the reason why people no longer interested to be wife number 4 or maybe see Mseleku as being a good husband is because of this thing that he's doing. But anyway, guys, you know the rules of the house. And my friends, welcome to True Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment, guys. Guys, if you're in a relationship and you think that other relationships are better than yours, trust me and believe, until you involve yourself in that relationship, you will see that, you know what, your relationship was better. So trust me and believe, sometimes don't wish other people's things, because trust me and believe, you don't know what they're going through, guys. Musa Mseleku is such a confusing man. He treats Mpumelela's girlfriend better than Snake. He gets happy to see them pregnant and making more kids, but he's ashamed of Snake having a multi-kids, guys. So yesterday's episode has proven us that, guys, Musa Mseleku's favorite son is Mpumelelo, guys, and he does not treat his kids equally. Those who have watched Utando's Tembo season 7 episode, guys, people are not happy, saying that they wish the show to be cancelled because every week they just get heartbroken, guys. It reminds them of Izingani. Do you still remember the lady Dlamuko used to treat ziyakhala better than the other kids? That is happening right now at Mseleku's family, guys. Like, I've also noticed that Musa Mseleku really loves the Vuyokazi. We all know that Vuyokazi is Umelelo's baby mama, first baby mama. Even on episode 4, season 7, he really mentioned that they need to go and do the right thing to Vuyokazi's family, guys. He didn't talk much about Uterelo, but you can see that when it comes to Vuyokazi and Mhlopekazi's ma, he really cares. He seems like, you know what, he wants her to be his daughter-in-law. He does not have a problem. Even right now, if you go to Musa Mseleku's Instagram, you can see that he normally posts his grandchildren, who is Mpumelele's kids, and people are calling him out to say that we are tired of you treating Snake like as if she is not your daughter. So Unequal also mentioned something on season 7 episode 8, saying that Utando, guys, for those who don't know, Utando is Snake's daughter, guys. There was a time when Musa Mseleku will come to her house and call Owami, who is Unequal's daughter, last born, and say let's go. So Unequal has to make a plan that also Utando, she's included in whatever activities Musa Mseleku will be doing with Owami, guys. That is totally unfair. People are saying that, you know, we do understand that, you know what, yes, Usne is not a son, but can you please at least buy her a small car to show that, you know what, you really love your kids. So also Mangwawe did mention that Musa Mseleku loves Mpumelele's kids more than everyone, guys. As another person also mentioned that they've realized that the only kids he cares is about the Mayeni, guys, because I don't know, because we all know that Mpumelelo, his mother is Mayeni, the second wife, guys. And people are also saying that Ulwandle he's only treated better because he has a good heart, not because he's Musa Mseleku's favorite. Because I don't know what to say, but people are calling out to say, guys, when it comes to Snake, please do better as a man, do better. Usne went through so much, guys. Usne went through so much, guys, to a point where he was we all know what happened to Snake, guys, when he was young. He was so we do understand that she went through so much to a point where no wonder why she's like this today, because maybe her behavior is because of her past trauma. guys. So the only thing that she needs right now is her father's attention, because trust me guys, oh my god, she might be other things, but she's a good stepmother to Sneh, as well as Sneh's daughter, who is Thando, guys. Oh my god, loves Thando as if that's her real granddaughter, honey. Like, she's making sure that Thando, she has everything, guys. And people also notice that if you're watching Uthando Tembo, where it is Owami, Mulwande, and Thando, normally the people that will be talking, it will be Mawande as well as Owami. And Uthando, she will just keep quiet, guys. She'll just keep quiet. I've never seen her talking or saying something. She's always quiet, and I don't understand why. I'm just like, okay, what's going on? Maybe she's a quiet kid. Maybe, you know what, she knows her place. Like that tag, guys, she has so much respect. Sneh's daughter, she has so much respect. You can see that she's a reserved kid. She's a very calm. She's always collected, guys. So I don't even understand what is going on at Musa Mseleku right now, because people are calling out to say, Musa Mseleku, you need to do better when it comes to Sneh, guys. Do you understand that your favorite son, the majesty, your highness, is Mpumelelo Mseleku? But please, at least do something for Sneh to show her that you also love her. She is your daughter, honey. People are really not happy, especially Twitter, guys. I feels like this week is gonna be hard for Musa Mseleku, and people are saying that the reason why Musa Mseleku treats Mhlopeka as different is because it's Mpumelelo's is Musa Mseleku's favorite child, guys. People are saying a lot of stuff, and then some are saying that I love how Makele just decided she's going to love Sneh. Yeah, guys, what the mother. And some people are saying that, you know what you are doing, it is totally unfair, guys. They don't deserve to be treated like Mpumele's kids are loved. I'm so disappointed, guys. The people are really disappointed with Musa Mseleku, the way he's treating Umayeni, Sneh's kids, because they just feel like, you know what, Musa Mseleku treat Mpumelela's kids and girlfriend better than Sneh. It is wild, because of your guys literally exactly like Sneh. All had kids before marriage. You guys even pop baby number 2 from that. Culturally, those kids are not yet Mseleku, because lobolo dololo, no marriage. And so yes, I do understand that. I don't even understand why Musa Mseleku is happy with Mpumelela's doing, because at the end of the day, according to culture, they are not yet officially, because he has not done anything. I don't know if he has paid the damage or whatever. We don't know yet. They have not talked about it, but I just feel like Musa Mseleku is being unfair when it comes to Sneh and when it comes to Mpumelelo being the better man, guys. It's not like he's the better man. And one thing what he's doing is gonna, same thing that is happening at the Dlamuka's house, still gonna happen to him, guys. You don't know what's gonna happen to the future. What if these kids, like, I just really am glad that Umangwabi went back to school to finish him to become a nurse, because trust me, her son, he was gonna suffer. He was not gonna get anything. But at least his mom is very educated. She's a nurse as well. She's a businesswoman. So obviously, you know what, she's gonna benefit from her mom, you know, her mom doing things right for her. So another one, people saying that at the end of the day, we just need to appreciate Makele for being there for Sneh as well as for Sneh's daughter, because if it wasn't Makele, guys, that little poor kid was going to suffer, guys, because his grandfather, he's not making sure, guys. He doesn't even care. But anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Happy Friday. God bless you, guys. I'm really sorry, guys, for confusing you, but hopefully you understand, and I will improve, guys. You know what? Anyway, guys, bye.